If you've decided to cancel your Netflix subscription and delete your account permanently, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed successfully. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the Netflix website and log into your account using your email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Cancel membership. In the account section, find the membership and billing area. Click on Cancel Membership and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 4. Confirm deletion. After cancelling your membership, you will still have access to your account until the end of your billing period. To proceed with permanent deletion, wait until your subscription period ends, then log back in and go to the account section again. Step 5. Finalize account deletion. In the account section, look for the option to delete your account. Follow the instructions provided to permanently delete your account. Make sure to confirm your decision, as this action cannot be undone. After completing these steps, your Netflix account will be permanently deleted. Remember that you will lose access to all your viewing history and saved preferences.